Here, we are going to provide the formula for the parameterization of our real line integral along vertical and horizontal segments. We'll have some illustrations later on for some examples, but this time, let's talk about how to parameterize our path with vertical and horizontal segments. Of course, we know that for the integral of p of xy dx plus q of xy dy along the path C, this time it's either horizontal or vertical segments, is equivalent still to this one here, which is the p of x of t y of t times the first derivative of your x of t plus q of x of t and y of t times the derivative of your y of t. Then you are going to have here times with respect to dt from a to b. Okay, so we are going to provide the idea or formula in order for us to identify your x of t and y of t, which would be very important for us to identify this and this one here. Now, we started with the complex line integral, how to parameterize the path on horizontal line segments and vertical line segments. So we're going to look at that similar concept as well. So let's start here with the horizontal. Okay? Horizontal. When you say horizontal, one value is constant. That is actually your y. Because if you have here your Cartesian plane, because this is on real line integral, if it's actually this one here, okay, this horizontal line or line segment, if you would like to, the constant here is your y. But your x changes its values depending on the locations of your endpoints of your line segment given as points as well. Okay, so in our complex line integral, we actually had this formula for our z. For our z of t for horizontal was actually indicated by this. We have actually t plus ik. For our x, actually would change the value, but the y is constant. Okay, that is for our horizontal line segment parameterization for the complex line integral. For the real line integral, which is the concern of this video, we're also going to use the same thing. The y value is constant, so y would be c. Okay, so it's a constant. Constant function is the constant. Constant is the constant function, and you have your x, which stands for your t. Okay, your x value changes from with respect to t, where your t is between your x sub 1 and then your x sub 2. Okay, that's for how to parameterize the horizontal line segment. Okay, now for the vertical, okay, for the vertical line segment, using this one here, if you have vertical line here, only the x value is also constant, but the y values changes as well. So the point here is we are going to talk about the consistency of our x. So that would mean x is your c, but your y stands for your t. This is also similar to the parameterization for the complex line integral for vertical line segment, which is actually expressed as k plus it, where your x value is constant, but your y would change its value. Okay, so this is also true for this, but your t here would be between y sub 1 and y sub 2. So we're going to use this if you will come across with some examples later on solving the integral of the real line integral along the path which is either vertical or horizontal segments. We're going to have some examples for that, but in the meantime, let's also have some example here without the function, but given points. If you have here from 0, 3 to 2, 3, what do you think is this line segment? Notice that only the abscissa changes its value from 0 to 2. This is a clear indication that our y is consistent, hence this is a horizontal line segment. Okay, so for horizontal line segment, the parameterization for our given function is actually indicated by this formula here. So your y is equal to c, the constant value which is a 3, and then your x is actually equal to your t. Okay, because it is the value that changes. Changes the value from your by the way, your x sub 1 here, right, the value from your x sub 1, which is 0 to 2, okay, because that's the smallest value of your x until 2. Now if this is what your task is and you're solving for real line integral, you're going to use this formula here, but your a and b is 0 to 2. Okay, that's your a and b 0 to 2. Of course, you're going to use x as t. Okay, later on, let us of course be consistent with what we're doing here. Let's call this y of t. Okay, that will be consistent with our formula. Y of t. This also, the other one is x of t. Okay, so x of t. As for the vertical, so let me rewrite all of this so that it will be consistent with the formula for the real line integral. So y of t is actually your t here, and then the x of t is c. Now, if this is your what do you call this one, horizontal line segment, this is your path. So that would mean for your y sub t is a 3 and x sub t, sorry for that, again, let me also rewrite this. So your y sub t is a 3 and then your x sub t is t. These are what you're going to substitute in your function here and here. What you need more is this two, so you will have to take its first derivative, which is 0, and the first derivative of your x of t, which is 1. Okay, now how about we have another situation from, let's say, 2, 3 to 2, 4. Okay, so obviously the x is actually constant, so that would mean it's a vertical line. In short, your formula here, or your parameterization, is this: y of t is t. So your y of t is equivalent to your t, and then your x of t is actually 2, the value that did not change. Of course, your t here is between the values of your y that changes from 3 to 4. That's your a to b. And if you would like to take its first derivative to complete the situation, if this is your situation, it's 1, and then your x prime of t is, of course, is 0. You can plug in that on this formula here, because this is the same formula for all, but the parameters are different for different path. Okay, so we have all of this to be considered. This is a vertical line segment. We will have some illustrations for this, actual examples in solving for the real integral, so we might come across with these situations as well, together with this very important item here, because we are going to stick with how do we define the functions p and q. Thank you very much for watching.